Ever wondered how WhatsApp handles billions of messages daily with blazing speed and reliability? Let's decode its system design secrets. Hi tech enthusiasts, I'm Abinash Mishra, and today we're diving deep into the architecture behind one of the most scalable messaging platforms ever built, WhatsApp. From managing billions of messages to ensuring near instant delivery, we'll break down the tech magic step by step. Whether you're prepping for a system design interview or just love understanding how tech works, this is the video for you. A. Functional requirements. Send, receive, and mark text messages as read. No group chats, images, or videos for simplicity. Real-time message delivery. B. Non-functional requirements. Scale to handle 10 billion messages daily, doubling in a year. Near instant delivery with latency under 100 milliseconds. High availability, always operational. C. High-level system design. Mobile app. The user interface handles messaging and contact management. Load balancer distributes traffic across API servers for reliability and scalability. API servers. Stateless servers managing core messaging logic. Ideal for horizontal scaling. WebSocket servers ensures persistent connections for real-time messaging. Message distributor. A service using message queues like Kafka or RabbitMQ for efficient database writes. Database. A NoSQL database such as Cassandra or DynamoDB for handling high write volumes and ensuring scalability. Data is sharded by user ID for efficient retrieval. Consistent hashing or in metadata services determine data location. D. Advanced consideration. End-to-end encryption, security for private communication. Sharding, partitioning. Distribute data efficiently to manage 1.5 petabytes yearly storage needs. Real-time updates, WebSocket connections for push notifications. Reliability at scale. WhatsApp's system ensures seamless messaging even with billions of users. Real-time communication. Persistent WebSocket connections allow instant message delivery. Cost-efficient scalability. NoSQL databases and message queues optimize resource usage, saving costs as the user base grows. Future-proof design. With modular architecture, features like group chats, media sharing, and advanced encryption can be added without re-architecting the system. These design principles ensure that WhatsApp-like systems are not just functional, but also future-ready. Businesses adopting this architecture can confidently scale while maintaining a flawless user experience. To sum it up, designing a messaging app like WhatsApp requires balancing scalability, speed, and security. From load balancers to NoSQL databases, every component plays a critical role in delivering those messages you send every day. Now it's your turn. What would you add to this design? Group chats, media support? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you love this breakdown and want to see more such deep dives, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, happy design.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge AI innovations. Let us know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge in building trustworthy AI?
The revolution starts now. Will you be part of it?
Me and us, we can make me shine. We can make a tall house, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of